Practice set 2.2 question number 3. In figure 2.28 segment PS is median of triangle PQR and PT perpendicular to QR. Then we have to prove that PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Secondly, we have to prove that PQ square is equals to PS square minus QR multiplied by ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. For this, we will write given, prove that, and then draw diagram. Now let us see proof of this. Proof. Here S is midpoint of QR as PS is median. So we can say that QS is equals to SR is equals to 1 upon 2 QR. So we will write here QS is equals to SR is equals to 1 upon 2 QR. S is midpoint of QR. We will call it equation first. Now PT is perpendicular, so in triangle PTS we will take Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PTS by Pythagoras theorem, that is PS square is equals to PT square plus TS square. We will call it equation 2. Now to prove first, we will take triangle PTR. We will take triangle PTR. In this triangle PTR, angle PTR is equals to 90 degree. So my Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equals to PT square plus TR square. PT square plus TR square. We can write PR square is equals to PT square plus, instead of TR we can write TS plus SR. TS plus SR bracket square. Now here we will apply A plus B bracket square formula to this TS plus SR. PR square is equals to PT square plus TS square plus 2TS multiplied by SR plus SR square. Now from equation 2 we know that PT plus TS square, PT square plus TS square, that is PT square plus TS square, is equals to PS square. So we will write PR square is equals to PS square plus now 2TS multiplied by SR plus SR square. So instead of SR we can write QR upon 2. 2 multiplied by TS multiplied by, instead of SR I am writing here QR upon 2 plus again SR. So QR upon 2 bracket square. These two will get cancelled. So we will get PR square is equals to PS square plus TS multiplied by QR plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Now on rearranging we will get what we have to prove. So PR square is equals to PS square plus QR multiplied by ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Now second, for Second, we have to take triangle PTQ. In triangle PTQ, angle PTQ is 90 degree. Angle PTQ is equals to 90 degree. So we can take Pythagoras theorem. PQ square is equals to PT square plus TQ square. So by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equals to PT square plus TQ square. Now instead of TQ, we can write QS minus TS. QS minus TS is equals to TQ. So instead of this TQ, we can write QS minus TS. So the equation will become PQ square is equals to PT square plus QS minus TS bracket square. Now here we will apply A minus B bracket squares formula. So PQ square is equals to PT square plus QS square minus 2QS multiplied by TS plus TS bracket square. Now we will rearrange it. PQ square is equals to PT square. I am writing this TS square here. So plus TS square plus QS square minus 2QS multiplied by TS. PQ square is equals to this PT plus TS. From equation second, PT square plus TS square is equal to PS square. So instead of this, I am writing here PS square plus from equation 1, QS is equals to 1 upon 2 QR. So instead of QS, we have to write here QR upon 2. QR upon 2 bracket square minus 2 QR upon 2 multiplied by TS. Now these two will get cancelled. Now on rearranging, we get PQ square is equals to PS square, this minus QR multiplied by TS plus QR upon 2 bracket square. This is the second we had to prove. Now fourth question. In triangle ABC, point M is midpoint of BC. If AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square. Now you know it's half of it Apollonius theorem is equals to 290 centimeter square. AM is 8 centimeter. Then we have to find BC. So in triangle ABC by Apollonius theorem, that is AB square plus AC square is equals to twice of AM square plus twice of BM square. Now AB square plus AC square is given to you, that is 290 centimeter square, and AM is given, so 2 multiplied by 8 square plus twice of BM square. 290 is equals to 2 multiplied by 8 square, that is 64 plus twice of BM square. 290 is equals to 2 multiplied by 64, that is 128 plus 2 BM square. So 2 BM square is equals to 290 minus 128, that is equals to 162. is equals to 2bm square. So bm square is equals to 162 divided by 2, which is equals to 81. Now we know that 81 is square of 9. So on taking square root, bm is equals to 9 centimeter. Now with what we have to find? BC. BC is twice of BM. BC is equals to twice of BM. So BC is equals to 2 multiplied by 9. That is BC is equals to 18 centimeter. Now fifth question. In figure, point T is in the interior of rectangle. This PQRS is a rectangle and point T is in interior. Then we have to prove that TS square plus TQ square is equals to PT square plus TR square. So you can write given, prove that by your own. Now some construction is there. Draw diagonals which intersect on point O. We will draw diagonal PR and SQ of rectangle which intersect each other on point O. So PR is equals to SQ, as they are diagonals of rectangles and they bisect each other. So we can say PO is equals to OR is equals to SO is equals to OQ. Now we have two triangles here. So in first triangle, that is in triangle TSQ by Apollonius theorem, that is TS square plus TQ square is equals to TO is median, so twice of TO square plus twice of OS square, or you can say OQ square. Now in another triangle, that is TRP. In triangle TRP, we can take Apollonius theorem. This TO is median. So we will write in triangle PTR by Apollonius theorem, that is TP square plus TR square is equals to twice of TO square plus twice of OR square. Now this OR and OQ are same, so we can write here OQ instead of OR. So we can write TP square plus TR square is equals to TO square plus twice of OQ square, since OQ is equals to OR. Now see here, this we will call it equation 1 and this equation 2. Right hand side of both equations are same and left hand sides are different. So we can say TS square plus TQ square is equals to TP square plus TR square, which we have to prove. In this way we have completed this chapter.